Morning guys, so it's currently 2 a.m. well it's 2:44 and we're really tired because we had such a long flight here in Dubai, and now we have to wait for our business class, which will be really exciting. And yeah, can't wait to go on the plane for business class. I've never been on business class before, so once in a lifetime opportunity. A whole entire day has just passed and now we're like just here. When we get on the plane, I'm probably going to recline my seat and have a nap because I just can't. Anyway, update you guys later when we get on the plane. Bye.